Today I am going to bring a special chapter of grammar to all of you. It is very important because it is my own experience that students especially don't understand the difference between phrase and clause, nor do they want to know what is phrase and what is clause. From the student's part, from the student's point of view, at first I will get you clear phrase. This one. What is phrase? You have heard an old saying, where there is a disease, there is medicine available. In the same way, there are some words that have some definitions. The complete definition is hidden in that word. The definition of phrase is hidden in the word phrase, that is phrase. Let's see how is the definition of phrase hidden inside its word, inside the word phrase. See, what is phrase? Okay, here we separate the word phrase into two parts. Here we separate it. PH, first PH means phase, and second rage. Rage means erase, omit. A student erases the written work with a pencil, and eraser, omit. Phase means important part. Whose important part? Important part of a sentence. You should inspect it, observe it, and understand it. Here I have tried to make a magnifying glass in which you will see subject, verb, and object. So, this subject, verb, and object are the important part of a sentence, and this important part have to be seen through magnifying glass, have to be seen, and not only to see but also to be erased, those from the sentence. Then the rest part left in the sentence is a phrase. I have written two examples to clear phrase. Let's see example number 1. Example number 1 is, the sentence is, she speaks English in a foolish manner. Look at here. You know well what is subject in the sentence. What is subject? Subject is she. She is the subject. And what is verb here? Verb is speaks. And what is object in this sentence? English is the object in this sentence. In this sentence, we inspect, we observe, we understand subject, verb and object. And we have, what we have to do? Now, we have to erase subject from the sentence. Erase it. Now, what we have to do with the verb? We have to erase the verb too. Erase it. Now, here we see object. What we have to do with the object? We have to omit or erase it. English is erased here. It is to be erased. Okay. Now, look at here. What is left? What is left here? What is left in this sentence? What is left in the sentence is in a foolish manner. And in a foolish manner is the rest part of the sentence. So, this rest part of the sentence is what? Phrase. The rest part of the sentence in the foolish manner is a phrase. Okay? Now, let's see example number 2. Example number 2 is, he helps him in the time of need. Now, my question is, what is subject in the sentence? In example number 2, he is the subject here. And we erase he from the sentence. Now, what is verb in this sentence? The verb is helps. We have to omit it. We have to omit the verb of the sentence. Helps is to be omitted. And now, what is object in the sentence? What is object in the sentence? The sentence, in this sentence, the object is him. And what we have to do with the object? We have to erase the object. Him is to be erased. Now, what is left with you in this example number 2, in this sentence? Here, we see in the time of need. In the time of need is the rest part of the sentence. So, it is a phrase. The rest part is called, of the sentence is called phrase. Here you see, if you omit or erase subject, verb and object, etc. from a sentence, rest part will be, rest part in a foolish manner, rest part in the time of need will be a phrase. Points to be noted. A phrase is a part of a sentence without a subject, verb and object or complement. Phrase does not contain a subject and a verb, but a clause contains a subject and verb. This is the difference. Phrase does not contain a subject and a verb, and a clause contains a subject and a verb. In this way, I share my technique of teaching with you. Thank you.